With my ad revenue this year, it has over quadrupled, and I just cracked $8,000 in Google ad revenue this past month. And that type of video is going to be in demand forever because people are always looking for that information online. And so what you just created is called a funnel. There's approximately 100,000 people looking at passive income on Google and YouTube every single month. Are you one of them? If so, you're in the right place, because in today's video, we're going to talk about passive income and how to make more of it in 2020. From 2010 to now in 2019, people typically thought about passive income as something with like a hard, tangible asset, like with real estate, with investing in the stock market, with investing into crowdfunding projects with other realtors and investors. But there's definitely a huge problem with 2 out of the 3 of those options are super expensive. And if you don't educate yourself properly, you could really lose a lot of money. And there's a lot of investment capital. And with the stock market, I still haven't figured it out. I have no idea how to use it or what it takes to be successful with the stock market. And so we've slowly been making this paradigm shift since 2010 and have realized that, hey, I can make money online and I can make it passively while I sleep. And now this idea of making money while you sleep is more achievable than ever. And in this video, I'm going to show you how the internet traffic can make you filthy rich, but you got to be willing to do the work. Are you? Let's find out right now. So there's probably 100 ways to make money online, but in this video, I'm going to focus on one of those ways. And step 1 into this method is to decide between Google and YouTube. Now, what the heck do I mean by that? Now, Google is the #1 search engine in the world, and it owns YouTube. And when you think of Google and YouTube as pure traffic sources, your whole life could change and you could really monetize that traffic on the internet. Google and YouTube are both big, huge search engines. So people are constantly typing in, how to do something, tips on how to do this. And when you think about it from that standpoint, there's red hot traffic and warm leads for your business and your product right there at your fingertips. And so there's never, ever, ever too much competition on Google or on YouTube. And there's room for everybody to capture that traffic and to build a business. But in this video specifically, I'm going to be talking about a YouTube channel because that is definitely my expertise. But if you decide to go the Google route and to build a blog and writing is more of your thing, please go ahead and do that. They both function pretty much the same thing, but YouTube is you have to produce video content, and with a blog or a website, the majority of it is writing and copy and putting article content on your blog. So in regards to a YouTube channel, let's talk about and find out what is passive about a YouTube channel in this explanation right here. So people get confused what is passive about a YouTube channel and what is active about a YouTube channel. And I would say once you build up your channel to the point where it is bringing you sales while you sleep, while it is bringing you leads, while it is, building you up as an authority while you sleep, that is considered passive. Now, the active part obviously is that you have to create the content to keep your channel going, or else it'll eventually die down more and more and more. But really, if you're a business owner, if you have a brand online, you have to put content out on the internet. It's inevitable. You have to give value to make your brand credible. So I don't ever hear about Instagram paying their content creators for the content they put out. And that's why YouTube is so amazing, because you have the opportunity to make that ad revenue income once you qualify and reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. But that really is the beauty of income, and it grows organically by itself. Your videos and views grow over time. So after we've decided we're going to build that YouTube channel and capture that red hot traffic, the second step is deciding on your niche. And why is it so important? I go over that in this video. Because if you have a channel that's just a random everything channel and you're making videos on all kinds of topics, your channel will not grow, your audience will be super confused, and you won't get subscribers and views and /leads/sales, because the algorithm has no clue what to do with an everything channel. So if you are niche specific, and if you are going to position yourself as the expert and teach people what you know, share the knowledge that you have, this is like gold. The algorithm for YouTube gets super excited. It's like, I know where to put this video. I know what audience to put this video in front of. So it totally makes sense. So, there's that saying, the niches are in the riches, or the riches are in the niches, or something like that. It's so true, because if your topics, if your videos are random, if it's about cooking and then fitness and then about, relationships, it's gonna be
weird and people are not going to have any reason to subscribe.
So no, people will not subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, join the family, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And if you are interested in building a wildly successful YouTube channel and understand how some of my students have been able to cross 6 figures with their own YouTube channels, go ahead and download my subscribers to sales blueprint, which walks you through the exact steps you need to take to build a profitable YouTube channel for your business. And so let me break down another reason why honing in on your niche is so important, and that is because of ad revenue. So with Google and a blog on Google or a YouTube channel on YouTube, you can make a good amount of money from the AdSense that is generated from the advertisements that play on your videos, or in a website's case, the advertisements that pop up on a blog. And so with my ad revenue this year, it has over quadrupled, and I just cracked $8,000 in Google ad revenue this past month, which is crazy to me. But the reason I'm able to make that amount of money with my Google AdSense is because I'm very specific with my channel. I'm not talking about cooking and fitness and everything on one general channel. I'm very specific about online marketing and teaching online business. So advertisers are more willing to put their advertisements on my videos because they know that they're more than likely to get clicks and sales from advertising on my videos. So the higher your cost per 1,000 views is, which is the CPM, which is the amount that Google pays you per 1,000 views. So my CPM right now is around $45 to $50. The higher that is, the more you're going to be able to make with Google AdSense. And it all starts from being super clear on who it is you're marketing to and getting clear on your niche. So earlier in this video, I mentioned the active piece about the YouTube channel, and that is definitely building up the YouTube channel to get that traffic and have that audience. And so I go over step by step. I just created this video on my channel. It's a step-by-step tutorial about how to start a YouTube channel. I highly suggest you check out that video after this video to understand exactly how to do it and grow very fast. But the whole idea with your YouTube channel is you have to focus on evergreen content and content that's going to be in demand for a very long time. For example, I have a student who has a YouTube channel about nutrition and specifically flexible dieting and counting your macronutrients, and that type of video is going to be in demand forever because people are always looking for that information online and on the internet. So essentially, she's planting her online real estate and gaining that traffic, forever, as long as her YouTube channel exists, and she's able to direct that traffic to her products and her services. All right, so step number 4 to making more passive income in 2020 is to implement affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's simple. It's simply promoting a product or service of another company or brand, and if you make the sale, you get a commission anywhere from 10% to 50% to sometimes 100%. And so I love affiliate marketing. I've actually generated well over 6 figures just with affiliate marketing and promoting other people's products, and I explain more about it right now.
95% of my income on my YouTube channel was from affiliate marketing. Now, I was selling promoting high ticket offers and making $1,000 commissions over and over. And also, of course, I still promote these things, but I promote business tools, these screenshots of recurring income that I'm able to produce from these 2 business tools. So on average, that is around $3,000 per month that I earn from promoting those 2 tools. I also promote different types of things such as products on Amazon, other people's courses. So this is what I love about affiliate marketing. It's kind of the low-hanging fruit on how to monetize a channel. So for example, if you're a singing coach and you have a microphone that you love and it's on Amazon, put your affiliate link for the microphone in the description in your video. So it's kind of like things you already use in your business and in life, things you recommend, even a blender. Like if you're a fitness coach and you're talking about, quick recipes, you could say, hey, I use this blender, check it out. I love it. It's in the description below. That is a great way to start monetizing and making a couple extra $100 from your channel with affiliate marketing. And the other thing about affiliate marketing is people won't have a problem buying from you and buying from your affiliate link because they want to give you the sale and they want to give you the credit because you're giving so much value and you're being so useful on your YouTube channel. So don't think that, oh, so-and-so is not going to use my affiliate link. People will buy. Trust me, they will buy through your affiliate link.
Okay, and step number 5 is back-end monetization. Now, what do I mean by this? When you build up your traffic and your audience on Google and on YouTube with your blog or your YouTube channel, we want to capitalize on our income with back-end monetization strategies, and I explain that more right now.
But back-end monetization is where you'll really concentrate and figure out how you will monetize your channel to make the bigger chunks of income. So whether this is creating digital products, digital ebooks, digital books, maybe you're coaching, maybe you do some type of consulting, maybe you have a membership site or a membership where you charge a monthly fee for people to enter into your membership program, and every single month they pay a certain fee to get access to the videos and the extra content that you have to share. Really, you kind of understand what business model you want to go after. But essentially, I think everybody has the capability to build their online course, build a digital course, and teach something.
After watching that, and if you're thinking, man, I have nothing to teach and nothing that I can sell, you're wrong. I guarantee you can teach something and you can sell your knowledge, and that there's something that people go to you and ask you how to do over and over. There's this brand called Masterclass that's just basically a big umbrella to different digital courses that people make. And one of those courses is by a gymnast, a US gymnast named Simone Biles. Now, Simone has been to the Olympics several times, but she has a class teaching gymnastics. That's insane. There's other digital courses in there where they teach how to be a boss. There's astronaut training. There's training on cooking. There's training on how to play guitar. There's training on how to learn fast. Like, what? That's crazy. Teaching people how to learn faster. So I guarantee you have something, there's knowledge that you can teach somebody else that somebody else wants to know. And so speaking of digital courses, this is exactly how I would do it. You don't just go advertising your course on your blog and your YouTube channel in any old fashion. There's a specific method to the madness, and I'm going to break it down to you right now. And that first step is to create a lead magnet or a freebie, something that you can give away in exchange for somebody's email and name. So this could be in the form of an ebook, a PDF, a cheat sheet, a free training, a free webinar, the list goes on and on. But really what you would need to create an e-magnet is you could use Google Documents and create an ebook if you want, or you can go to Canva. Canva.com is a great free resource tool where you can go in there, you can create any digital advertisement you need. Like, you can create YouTube thumbnails, banners, postcards, different images and graphic designs, and you can go in there and they have templates for you to create your own lead magnets and your own ebooks and PDFs to give away. So once you create your lead magnet, you need a business tool to capture the leads with. So you need a business tool such as the one I use called Kartra, where you're able to create a really nice landing page where you can capture people's name and email, and you have somewhere a platform online where you can start building your list, right? And so what you just created is called a funnel. You have a landing page, and then when they opt in, you see a thank you page thanking them for opting in and getting the ebook and explaining what exactly to do next. And so when you use a business tool like Kartra, it has everything you need to build sales funnels, to grow your list. There's email marketing on there. And so the next step after that is to create the course. Take a moment to map out and write down what exactly you want to include in your course. And then you would create what I'm doing right now. Get in front of a camera, create a video on how to do it. You could even use a screen share. There's free screen share softwares for both PC users and Mac users. I use Camtasia, that's the paid version, but I also use Snagit, which is free for Mac users. There's plenty of ways to create video content so you can teach your audience how to solve the problem that they want to solve in their lives. That's what it's all about, is helping people solve problems. So essentially, the great thing about building up your own passive income streams on your YouTube channel or on your blog using the power of organic traffic and SEO traffic is that you have control of that passive income, unlike real estate where it's dependent on, the housing market, and if it crashes, then you're in trouble. You have control of your passive income streams online. You can control it and you can scale it to the moon. And so I hope you got major value from this video. And if you like this video, you will definitely like the video on how I teach you how to build a YouTube channel and start it from complete scratch. And that video starts right here, right now. When you feel like your channel is not getting views, don't give up. You got this. You can do it.